Hello dear students, this is Mansi Patel from Samarpan Gyan School. Today we are going to study maths, class 3, lesson 3, subtraction word problem. Okay, so this is the word problem. First question. Ashima and her sister have pooled money to buy gift for their mother. If Ashima gave 46 rupees and her sister gave 54 rupees, how much did the gift cost? Okay, so here is certain boxes for helping you. Okay, this will not going to happen in the exams, not even you have to do in your notebook also. So this is just for your comfortableness. Ashima, how much rupees she gave? 46 rupees. So 46 rupees. Her sister 54 rupees. So what is the total cost? You have to count, and here you know that what happened, addition happened. 46 plus 54. 6 plus 4 0, 10, 1 carry, 5 plus 5, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 5 10. So total cost of gift is rupees 100. Understood? Let's take one more question. Sadaf's class teacher cut 52 strips of paper for the class bulletin board. She needs 85 strips in all. Oh, she needs 85 strips and she cut only 52 strips. How many more strips she should cut? So total there is 85 strips and she how many cut? 52. So she cut 52. How many total she need to cut more? So 85 minus 52. 5 minus 2 3. 8 minus 5 3. So she need to cut more 33 strips. Easy? Yes, just same like you have to read and solve the question immediately. You will understand. 36 children were at the park. How many children? 36 children. 12 children left. How many are still in the park? Total there are 36 children. How many left? 12 left. So left children 12. How many still there are? So 36 minus 12. 6 minus 2 4. 3 minus 1 2. So there are still 24 children in the park. 36 were there first, then 12 left. So how many are there now? 24. A dry fruit box had 32 cashew nuts, 49 almonds, 28 pistas. How many nuts in all? So you don't need to do anything, you just need to add all the things. 32 cashew nuts, so 32 almonds, 49 pistas, 28, and you need to add and you will get your answer. Right? Next question. During a sale, a shop sold 92 shirts on a first day. On first day, how many? 92. On a second day, sold more 28 than first day. On first day, 92. On second day, more than first day, 28. So first day there is how many? 92 plus more than how much? 28. So this is addition. Sold on first day there is 92. Second day how much more? 92 are there, but more 28. So 8 plus 2 10, 0, 1 carry 10 and 12. So 120 on second day shirt sold. I hope you all understand this is nothing new in this. Kavir and Ayuri were playing with marbles. Kavir won 25 games. Ayuri won 17 games. How many more games did Kavir win? So first, how many Kavir win? Kavir 25. So Kavir win 25 games. Ayuri win 17 games. Ivory wins 17 games. So you need to minus 25 minus 17. That's how much more Kabir win. So 5 minus 7 not possible. So it is 15. This is 1. Now 15 minus 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So 8 game more Kabir win. 25 Kabir win, 17 Ivory win. Right? So Kabir won 8 more games than Kaveri. Like this. Understood? So this is up. Lesson is done here. This is our last exercise 3G. Again there is a word problem only, but here is the question that in certain question there is not enough information. So you don't need to solve this. You just need to write this statement, not enough information. Okay, where there is enough information you can do your sum. So let's take first question. A carton of 200 biscuit packets has 125 packets of chocolate biscuit and the rest of are jam biscuits. How many packets of jam biscuits does it have? So total there are 200 biscuits from 125 chocolate biscuit. So jam biscuit are how much? So you need to just minus from 200 from 125 because 200 total biscuit. From that 125 chocolate biscuit and the rest of the biscuits are jam biscuits. So rest of the biscuit, for that you need to minus the thing. 0 minus 5 not possible, it is 0. 2 minus it is also 9 and this is 1. 10 minus 5 5. 9 minus 2 9. 7 and 1 minus 1 0. So total 75 biscuits are jam biscuit. Understood? Next question. Preetham's mother baked 656 butter biscuits and some cashew biscuits for school feed. How many more butter biscuit than cashew biscuit did she bake? Now you can see, student, here is single information only, and that is only butter biscuit. There is no information about cashew biscuit. So how can we compare? They say only some, but we don't know how much some. So you can write on the second question, not enough information. This is the sentence that you have to write here. Okay, now third question. In one leap year there were 197 school days. Now I think you should know what is leap year and what is regular year. The year which is going on right now, this year 2020, this is a leap year. Right? Every 4 single year there is a one leap year. Normal regular year there is 365 days, but in leap year there are 366 days. So you should know this basic information. How many days there were in holidays? So in leap year, if 197 is the school days, then how many holidays to rest of the holiday? You should know leap year. Okay, so 366 is the leap year minus 197 is the school days. So rest of the days are leap year that you have to minus. 6 minus 7 not possible, it is 16, and here it is 5 minus 9 not possible, it is 15 and 2. Okay, now 16 minus 7, so it is 9. 15 minus 9 6. 2 minus 1 1. 169. Understood? So this much holidays. Nandita read 135 pages of her storybook. How many pages does she yet have to read to complete the book? Again, here is not a complete information we have, so you can write not enough information. Anshul's family brought 198 packets of milk in a month of January and February. How many packets did his family buy in February alone? Now we cannot justify this question because again there is a lack of information. So you can write not enough information. So yes student, our lesson 3 is completed today. Now what you have to do is you have to write this exercise 3G in your notebook. Okay, I'm repeating, in your notebook. There is only 2 questions, that is question number 1 and question number 3. Okay, B, D and E, there is not enough information, so you have to write not enough information. You have to do exercise 3F in your textbook only. You can write it, just write it in a properly. Okay, because I hold it from one hand video, I'm not able to write properly, but you can write very properly with a very good handwriting. Right, please fill information in these boxes also. And what else? So chapter checkup, this is your test. So you have to complete this chapter checkup by your own. Page number 65 textbook. Understood? So yes, thank you.